Been Aldi and Lee. I'm just stocking Betty up for the weekend in Lichfield. So the Baroness is safe, she's in that wine cupboard there. I'm just doing our dry store box and then I'll just fill the fridge. So we've got sausage, bacon, ham, chicken, mushrooms, grapes, spinach and margarine. So, like Friday night will be a mushroom and egg omelette with spinach. Saturday morning, Sunday morning will be the breakfast wrap, the McJohnson's breakfast wrap, the famous McJohnson's breakfast wrap. And for tea on Saturday night it will be a chicken curry, and it will either be a jalfrezi or a madras. Choice of two, and we've got poppadoms as well, and some mango chutney. Happy days! So now I'm just going to B&M's and see if I can get any of them instant hot chocolate coffee and Bovril for the weekend. We only had Bovril, so I got 3. That's the drinks cabinet sorted. Hey! See what I did then? Dry food storage box, all sorts of stuff in there. Let's check out the fridge. Bacon, mushrooms, sausages, spinach, a couple of cans of Copperberg, plastic cheese. So yeah, still fit loads more in there, yeah. Loads of room. Does need a bit of a clean though. One job I need to do as well, because it's winter, I just need to check that the diesel heater tank has got some diesel in it. And it's that much full, but because it's going to be a cold weekend I'm going to top it up with a bit more diesel. Filler cap's a bit hard to get to because most of them have the caps here on the corner, but when I got this one it just came with a centre fill, so we'll just do what we can. So that's the diesel can. I'm going to get that bendy pipe in there. Gotta wear plastic gloves. So got to do this without diesel spilling everywhere. It's not very easy, I must admit. Take it there. So that's in. That's not working. That's not working. Might have to go. Yeah, I'm going to have to go that way through there. So, let's open that. Luckily, I only do this once every blue moon. No, it's not going high enough. I'll switch it off a minute. I'm going to have to go in through the top. So let's see how this works. So in order to fill my diesel tank, this is the water filler hose that I bought for the new tank. So I'm going to have to cut some of this off. Feed it down to there. And have it about there. So that's how much we need. this stuff is not very pliable, but it is like minus something, so I'm just hoping that it goes into the fuel tank. I might have to warm it up, you know. Well, it fits into the cap, so it should fit in. So let's try and feed it in. Right, so I just had to take out one of the bed ribs, so I can get to that now and fill it up. Like I said, it's only once in a blue moon. Let's give it a go. Well, that's working now. It's filling. A gallon though cost nearly £7. It's outrageous. Right, got a nice full diesel heater tank now. So it should be sorted for the next few weeks, until summer at least. Just got to put it all back together now. Okay, that's the tank cover back on. Bed strap back on. That's a view from above. Just going to put that panel back now, which I'll do now. And that's back on. I think if I had to do it on a more regular basis, I would try and put another tank on with a filler cap on the edge. But as it's every so often and we're not full-time van lifers at the moment, I'll just have to do it this way. So I just thought I'd just fire up the diesel heater. It's not going to run for a bit. And we're on 17-18 degrees. It's fired up alright. Exhaust coming out now. Got some mud on that, and then you can hear the pump ticking. There. You can't really hear it inside. That's good. Right, so I've just done some checks on Betty. Yesterday the toilet was sorted, water's sorted, food's now sorted for today. I'm just testing diesel heater out. As you can see, so it's just been a pain in the ass to fill the diesel tank, so maybe that's a job for before next winter. It's nice and sunny here in Bolton actually. Wow, lovely. So yeah, we're heading off to Lichfield tomorrow night after work. So it should be a good one. So thanks for watching. Betty's channel, she's doing the do as always. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, but overall, like us. We're alright. We'll see you in a bit.